Do you know with just 6,000 naira, basically 6,000 naira, 3,000 naira, you are sure of making at least $100 monthly, weekly, or daily, depending on your consistency, on on the kind of effort you input in this particular skill I'm about to show you. And this skill is not a skill that requires much cracking of head. It just requires you to solve a solution through writing. And if this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, my name is Basi Ejikwajon. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar. In my channel, I talk about academics of a student life, and not just academics, but how we can also make money as students in Nigeria. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a business line or a skill line in which you can decide to go into either as an investor or as a writer and you make money. And this line of skill is known as blogging. What is blogging? Blogging is simply the art of providing solutions through writing. You provide solution. Let's say you go to a particular place and they are looking for how they can get a solution towards a particular product. You go and make a research about it and you write about it and you put it online. When people read it, you tend to make money, and that is what blogging is simply all about. Making money in blogging goes through a lot of various means. You can make money through sponsor posts, you can make money through selling of backlinks, you can also make money through monetizing your blog on pages on ads that pays you, monetizing a blog through ads like AdSense. You have Accessia, you have a lot of them that we have HB agency, you have a lot of them that will pay you for monetizing your blog with them when you reach their certain requirements that they want. So basically, making money through blogging is as easy as that. What you just need in Nigeria is either you go to a host and you get a good domain name. You can go to a lot of hosts. We have Intercloud, we have Matis Cloud, we have Outspeed Hosting, we have Hostinger, and a lot of hosting companies in Nigeria, both international and local, in which you can go into, buy a domain. You can buy a domain even as a domain of .com.ng on Matis Cloud for just 1,300 naira. When you buy it, you install your WordPress and you design your site and you start making money, and you monetize your blog through ads, and the popular one of them is like AdSense. So this is basically how you can make money through blogging in Nigeria in 2024. If you need more information, which I will be dropping subsequently in videos, or if you need more information and you want to talk to me, I will join my WhatsApp number and chat me and I will show you the way to go. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button, share this video to your friends so that they can come here and gain value, and so that also I will grow. Until I see my next video, I really love you.